YouTube. Today we will show you how to make elephant toothpaste. This is something I just found out. I've been watching videos about it all day, and here's Grandma. She will film. Okay, so what did we need? Half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, what else did we need?
Okay, we're going to pour the peroxide in.
Okay. Okay, and use 2 squirts of Dawn dish soap. And then you swish that around, I think. Like that? I don't know. Okay, and then we use this. Take 2 scoops of water. Oh, crap. I'm not really good at this. 1. 2. And then we pour that in, or didn't we? Oh, we pour the yeast in. How much do we use? 1 teaspoon. 4 ounce. What do we do? Just load the whole thing in? Okay, let's wait. 25. What is 1 tablespoon? 2 1/2. Oh, this is 2 1/4. This is 2 1/4. What? Oh, so this is 1 table. Do we need a tablespoon?
I think he said a teaspoon.